take a look at day 45 from seed. I know it's overdue, but I'm gonna level out these bars and I'm gonna put the trellis net up tonight. And I think they'll all benefit from it. I just defoliated about 2 days ago, and I moved the plants around a little bit. I staggered them to put the big one in the middle, and I raised the fan. I think I'm gonna keep this fan where it is after they stretch. I want something in the bottom to blow air underneath the canopy. And we should do well in this tent. It's the GROWWWWW girl, and she is all of them, day 45. Not a whole lot different phenos. Not a whole lot of different phenotypical expressions, except for some grew faster than others. And we could look at leaves like this, leaves like that. Look about the same, just a little bit bigger. This is about the only deficiency that I've seen so far, and I've been kind of slacking on the Epsom salt, which I claim to give Epsom salts about every watering, but kind of fell back on this one and let her do what she's doing. I'm gonna pull the net out, some big roll. I'm gonna cut the net and then I'm gonna place it on top and push it down. All right. Roll for so long, I don't even know where the end is. I know this can't be it. Oh, here we go. All right. So I was able to cut it 17 by 17 squares, and that's enough to cover the entire tent. So I'm gonna reposition the camera and get myself putting up the net. Yep. Now I gotta walk around here and find me a Velcro strap from somewhere. I don't know where it went. But I got one in each corner, and I got two in each, well, I want to put two in each, on each bar. So as you can see, got some tension on there, so. Give me a sec, I'm gonna go find another Velcro strap, and we'll come back and we'll lower the net. Hey. All right, we made it back. So now we're gonna lower the net, all four corners. Hope I get it even. So the ones in the front aren't going to get too much net until they come up too much. So we'll just start spreading this out a little bit, reaching out to the farthest square that it can get. And I'm about ready to send this in the flour, so I won't worry about getting too much in the spread until they start stretching. So see some of these not even reaching the net yet. Maybe I might let it veg for a couple more days. Just so we can get as much in the net as we can before we flip the flour. Yep. That's what we got on this update. It says day 45 from seed. And we're ready to go to flour.